This trick is called horizontal circular Eli hops, and it looks like this. For this trick, of course, you need to know how to do Eli hops, but we're not going to be doing regular Eli hops. Instead, we're going to be doing something called a sideways Eli hop. And to do sideways Eli hop, it's pretty much the same motion as a conventional Eli hop, except you push the yo-yo toward your non-throw hand side. And when we're doing this trick horizontally, we need to make some modifications in order to make it work better and to resist tilt better. And to do those, basically, we just need to speed up the hop. So I'm going to pull my hands apart more aggressively so that the yo-yo goes out faster. And after the yo-yo has reached the end of the hop, I'm going to take my throw hand and pull it back, which is going to accelerate the yo-yo back to the trapeze faster. And this increase in speed is really going to help you master the horizontal version, so definitely practice doing this first. So once you have that down, then you have to throw the yo-yo horizontally. And when you're doing this, you really want to throw it almost perfectly horizontally, because as you're turning in a circle, it's going to make managing the plane much easier. So after you throw it horizontally, and right after the yo-yo hits the trapeze, you want to start hopping the yo-yo immediately, otherwise it's going to start to turn. So just like this. And when you're first trying these hops, you might feel tempted to hop the yo-yo in this plane. So when the yo-yo is perfectly horizontal, you want to hop it in a perfectly horizontal plane. But that's actually not the case, and that's going to cause the yo-yo to start tilting backwards just like this, and it's much more difficult. Instead, what you want to do is hop the yo-yo with the yo-yo still perfectly horizontal in this plane. So you see that at the top of the Eli hop, the yo-yo is actually higher up than it was on the trapeze. And to do that, when I pull my hands apart for the hop, I'm actually going to take my non-throw hand and push it upwards just a little bit. And how high the yo-yo goes over the plane of the trapeze is determined by how high I raise my opposite hand. If you find that the yo-yo starts going vertically while you're practicing this, then that just means that you're raising your opposite hand too high, and that you really just need to find the sweet spot between raising your hand too high and too low. Now, if you're having a tough time with the accuracy of this trick, then you want to take a look at how large your Eli hops are. So if you're trying to do these really big and impressive large Eli hops, you'll find that you actually might struggle a bit with the accuracy because there's so much more room for error. So instead, when you're practicing, you really want to go for as short of an Eli hop as possible, which is going to make you be able to land more successful repetitions and overall just make the trick much easier. So you're definitely going to want to try that. And once your accuracy is good and you're able to properly control the plane of the yo-yo, now it's time to start thinking about going circular. And to do that, right after I land the yo-yo onto the trapeze horizontally, I want to start my first Eli hop. And as I'm hopping, I want to start walking toward my opposite hand side and then complete one full revolution. And when you're first doing this, you really just want to maybe go for 3 or 4 Eli hops. Then as you improve, you can start adding in more Eli hops, and you can even go around more than once. Just be careful not to get too dizzy. And going circular with horizontal Eli hops might look like it adds a lot of difficulty, but as long as you're good with your accuracy and your plane control, you'll find that going circular actually helps you stay in line with the natural precession of the yo-yo, so it really doesn't add all that much of a challenge. And that is horizontal circular Eli hops. So once you're feeling very confident with horizontal Eli hops, now it's time to start turning around in a circle. And when I do this, first I want to go onto a horizontal trapeze. My charisma threw off my train of thought.